So are you also capturing your leads from Facebook lead ads and you want to add that to your CRM? This video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I'm going to show you how for my business of digital marketing agency, I have automated the entire process such that whenever I'm receiving a new lead from Facebook lead ads, it is automatically getting added to my system.io account. Now, if you also want to learn how you can create this, let's start creating this from the beginning. So here in this video, we are going to see how we can connect Facebook with system.io. So whenever I receive a new lead from my Facebook lead ads, I want to directly add that to my system.io account. Now for this, I'm going to build the connection between these two applications using Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the landing page of Pabbly and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, we can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. You can use these 100 tasks and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features, that too forever. Here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in and I'm landed towards the all Pabbly apps page where I can see all the Pabbly applications. I'll click on this Pabbly Connect, access now. And here I am landed towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Connect where I can see all the workflows over here and all the folders which I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow for which I need to click on this create workflow and I'm going to create the workflow from the scratch. First, I'm going to name this workflow as turn Facebook leads into paying customers automatically with system.io, and now I need to select the folder. These are the folders which have been created. I'm going to select it as Facebook lead automations and then click on create. Here, workflow created successfully. As soon as I click on create, this box has appeared in front of me where I have to enter my trigger application. Trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want that whenever I receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads, automatically it is created as a contact in my system.io, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads, this complete workflow here will get triggered because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. Here in my trigger application, I will be taking Facebook lead ads, and following this trigger application, in my action application, I will be taking system.io. Here in my trigger application, I've selected Facebook lead ads, and in my trigger event, I'm going to select new lead instant and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Now here I've already logged in my Facebook account and that's why I'm going to continue with the same account, and you will see Facebook lead ads will be connected to Pabbly Connect. Here it is, connection created successfully. And now I have to enter the page and the lead gen form. Now to get this page, I'm going to open my Facebook account, and this is the page which I have created by the name Digital Dynamics, and I will be running all my advertisements using this page. So I'll go back towards my workflow and select the same page, Digital Dynamics, and then I have to enter the lead gen form. To get this lead gen form, I'm going to open this Meta for developers, and you can visit this simply by typing developers.facebook.com. After landing towards this page, you have to scroll down and then go towards this developer tools. Now as you land towards this page, you have to again scroll down and search for this lead ads RTO debug tool, from where you will be landed towards this lead ads testing tool. Now from here you have to search for the page, and then as you search for the page, you will get all the forms which you have created under this page. Let's suppose I want to get this lead form, so I'll go back towards my workflow and I will select the same form. Now if you want to get the response from all of the lead gen forms, you can simply select that. I'm going to select lead form and then I'm going to click on the save and send test request. You will see it will change to waiting for webhook response, and now I need to do a test submission in order to capture the webhook response here in this workflow. In order to do this, I am going to open this lead ads testing tool. Now here I will be generating or creating a lead, and I am going to first delete the lead and refresh this page once, but when you will be running a live campaign, you need not have to do this again and again. So after refreshing the page, we have to select the page and the form again, and then I'm going to click on this preview form. Now what service you are interested in, I'm going to select it as social media marketing. Now here I'm going to enter some dummy details like my name is goodlead. Then I'm going to enter my email address as goodlead@pabblytudes.com. I will enter a dummy phone number here. and then I will enter my company name. After adding these details, I'm going to click on this continue and then click on this submit. So here the form submission is done. Now I'm going to open my workflow and check whether I have received any response there or not. And here it is, 18 seconds ago I have captured the response. If I scroll down, the service which I was interested in was social media marketing. The name was good lead, email address was goodlead@pabblyconnect.com. This was the phone number and the company name was Magnet Brains. Here, as soon as I have done the form submission, I have received that response in this workflow, and this shows the connection setup is working fine. And now whenever there will be new lead, I will start capturing that response there in this workflow. Moving on towards the next step, whenever there is a new lead, I want to add that to system.io. I'm going to click on this add new action step, and in my action application, I'm going to search for system.io. In my action event, I'm going to select create contact and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, and now to make this connection, I have to enter the API key. Now to get this API key, I have to follow the help desk. I have to navigate to profile section settings and choose public API key. So I'm going to go towards the settings from the profile, and over here on the left hand side where you can see all these options, so I'm going to open this MCP and API keys. Here I have created this token. Now I'm simply going to copy this and I'm going to paste it over here. After this, I'm simply going to save this. You will see system.io will be connected to Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter these details. Now over here, I'm going to first enter the email address, but not like this manually. Instead, I'm going to map it. To map it, I'm going to enter / go towards the Facebook lead ads, and then I'm going to enter the email address as good@pabblyconnect.com. The first name over here, you can see that I have not received the first name and the last name separately, but I have to enter the first name and the last name separately because we do not have any field which has full name. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to save this action step for now. I'm going to cross this. I'm going to click on this add new action step, and in my action application, I'm going to search for text formatter by Pabbly. In my action event, I'm going to select split text and then click on connect. The text to split is this name good lead, and in the separator, I'm going to enter this space because this space is going to help me separate the first name with the last name. In the segment index, I'm going to select it as all, click on save and send test request, and the good has been separated with the lead. I'm going to map it over here. So I'm going to enter the first name here as this good, and then I'm going to enter the last name here as lead, and then I'm going to enter the phone number. The phone number which I have received is this one. Then I have not received these details, so I'm going to skip this, and then I have received these fields, the service I'm interested in and the company name. So here I do not have any fields like that. If you want to enter the service in which you are interested in, the person interested in, you can enter that in any of the fields. Here I do not have a field like that, so I'm going to skip it. I'm not going to enter that. And if you have also received the response for these fields, you can enter following the step mapping. Here while mapping, we have created this as a dynamic field, and if we enter this manually, this field will become static, and that is the importance of mapping. After doing all this, we simply have to hit save and send test request. We have received the response, and this response is a positive one. Now let me open my system.io. On the top, I can see the CRMs. I'm going to go towards this contacts, and I'm going to refresh this page once. And we have created this good lead. If I open this, the name is good lead. Email address is goodlead@pabblyconnect.com. The phone number which we added was 8686, and the company was Magnet Brains. Now to summarize, we took Facebook lead ads, a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect. We received the new lead, and then we want to add that to system.io. We took system.io as an action application, made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered all the required details, executed this workflow, and finally created the lead. This is how this automation workflow is going to run. And here we have successfully created automation between Facebook lead ads and system.io using Pabbly Connect. I've attached the link of this workflow in the description so that you can check this out, and you can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation. Before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create multiple such automation using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you want to know the different plans which Pabbly provide, you can check out the link given over here. If you have any queries, you can mail us at sales@pabbly.com, and if you have any issues, you can comment down this video below, and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.